So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Hi my darlings. Before I get into sharing what I had for dinner, I just wanted to share with you, I got this beautiful card in the mail. It says, "Good things come to those who cake." And this was for my birthday, and it was from the beautiful Erin. Erin has a YouTube channel called Oh My Goals. It's to do with like budgeting and finances. So thank you so much, Erin, for thinking of me. I love this card. I will treasure it, and I hope you're doing well. And please go check out Erin if you haven't already. I'll leave her channel link down below, and you can go show her some love, please. And thanks again, Erin, so much. I really love it, and thank you so much for thinking of me. It means a lot to me, so thank you so much. And here's what I'm having for lunch today. I made myself a kind of like a garden Caesar salad, and I cooked up a piece of salmon, and the little cherry tomatoes are from our garden. We're still getting some, and this is what I'm having for my lunch. Hope you're all having a great lunch. Good. Well, my darlings, for my lunch today, I'm making a wrap that has some sour cream, and then I had some extra rice left over from another meal, so I fried that up, and a little piece of female bacon, some shrimp, and some of our tomatoes from our garden, and some cheese, and a little bit of hot sauce, and some ground pepper. And I'm just going to wrap it up and put it on the pan. I would like to put lettuce, but usually when I put lettuce, it just doesn't go well when you heat it up. I don't know. I don't really like heated lettuce. Anyways, this is what I'm having for my lunch. Well, here it is, my darlings. A little bit of a fail. I had it nicely wrapped, but then when I tried to get it out of the pan, it kind of flopped. But anyways, I'll let you know how it tastes. I'm sure it's probably going to taste good because I love shrimp and female bacon and all that, and the tomatoes. So this is what I'm having for my lunch. And here's a salad I made with some shrimp. Looking forward to this. Let me know if you're a shrimp lover or not down below. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Did some bacon pierogies. Like they're bacon and cheese pierogies inside, and then I cooked up some female bacon on top, and I got some carrots on the side, and I made my own little sauce there. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. This, believe it or not, my beautiful darlings, is my lunch today. A bowl of some different shrimps. Oh, I can't wait to get into that. Good. So here's what's for dinner tonight, my darlings. We're having a pork chop, some roasted carrots, and boiled they were boiled potatoes. Made them into a baked potato there with some cheese and sour cream, salt and pepper. There we go. Good. There goes my beeper. Or my timer. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I had some potatoes that were already cooked, so I just sliced them into like little fries and fried them up. And we have a bagel here with a egg and cheese and female bacon. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Kind of like a breakfast for dinner kind of thing. And there's hubby's. And this is what we're having. Good. Hope you have a great night. Yum yum. So I made some tomato soup from our leftover tomatoes that we have left from our garden. And I forgot to film it, but here's the last of it here. It was actually really good. So I'm going to have a bowl of soup. So I'm going to eat the last of it. Oh my gosh, it's really good. I don't know. It's because of the tomatoes. They were just like fresh from the garden, I guess. I don't know. But yum yum yum. And tomato soup is very easy to do. So my darlings, this is one of my favorite meals butterflied shrimp. And there's some cocktail sauce, shrimp sauce, whatever you want to call it. Good. So, for your birthday, Panera gives out a free pastry. And my hubby was kind enough to go and pick me up a free pastry. And this is the croissant with the chocolate in the middle. And oh my gosh, this is so good. So I'm going to have that for dessert. And thank you to Panera for honoring this. Apparently my card didn't have it on there. So the kind lady said this is a birthday gift to your wife. So I'm not sure, I'll have to check my card. But normally they give out, and I even called earlier in the day to find it. And the person said yes, they give out birthday gifts. So, so thank you to them. I really appreciate it. Good. So, my darlings, we're back with, well, what's for dinner tonight? And you can hear the sizzle there. That's some female bacon that I've had sliced up from a big thing of female bacon, and I froze it. And there's only 2 of us. I'm cooking for 2, me and my husband, so we have a slice there each. And I also sliced up the somewhat of our last tomatoes from our garden. Yes, they're still from our garden. And I've got some cheese there, and some bread toast to go be toasted. We're making, if you can guess, a toasted tomato sandwich for dinner tonight. And here it is, my darlings. Here's my toasted bacon, cheese, tomato sandwich for dinner tonight. Good. And the tomatoes are from our last bit of tomatoes from our garden for summer of 2023. Good. So I ordered in some Kelsey's Original Roadhouse, and I got some for my lunch and some for my dinner. And if you spent $40, you received their spinach dip for free. So this is their spinach dip, and their you got to choose if you wanted tortilla chips or the pita bread or whatever. I got that, and these are 2 Kelsey's cookies, because I also ordered 2 kids meals, which you know, they only go for like $10, so I thought I'd get them because they're cheaper. So I got a hamburger and fries with gravy, beef gravy for hubby, and a chicken finger meal for me, and that'll be our supper. And then for my lunch, I ordered their Caesar salad with steak, and so I'm going to do that up now, and and then the steak is in there. So here's my Caesar steak salad. Now this isn't all of it, but it's the majority of it. And this was like $21.90. Like, it's kind of an expensive salad because of the steak. But I just had a little piece of steak, and oh my gosh, it's so good. So I just mixed it up and everything, and I put it on a plate and took a few of the pieces of the steak, saved a few pieces because there's still a little bit more Caesar salad left. And then I just wanted to show you, here's their spinach dip. I'm going to have a few of those. And then, like I said, if you spent, your bill had to be at least $40, and you got this for free, this appetizer for free. So, there you have it. I'll show you the kids' meals when we have them for dinner tonight. I just can reheat them, and it'll be fine. So, my darlings, we're back for what's for dinner tonight. And if you saw earlier, I had ordered Kelsey's Roadhouse for lunch and dinner, and these are the kids' meals. So this is the hamburger and the fries and the beef. I added the beef gravy. These are like $10 meals, but this was, I think, an add-on of $1.49, and this will be for my hubby. And then I got the chicken finger meal for myself, and they each come with a huge homemade cookie as well. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fries and stuff on this pan and put it in the oven to heat it all up. And the chicken probably, and I'm going to probably take the bun off and just use the patty as well. So those are the meals, the kids' meals. I mean, they're pretty decent for like $10. I just thought. So there's hubby's kids' meal, and there was just a patty in the bun, so I put a slice of cheese on there, some ketchup, mustard, and relish, and a little bit of mayo, and then heated up the gravy. So it's all heated up now. That's his. So here's my meal. It's a little bit different. It's a chicken finger kids meal, but I gave the majority of my fries to my hubby, and I still have a little bit of salad left with the steak, so I thought I'd put it with it, and this is how it all looks. Good. Gotta go eat before it gets cold. Yum, yum, yum. And this was it. This is from Kelsey. So here's our dessert. They come with 2 great big, huge chocolate chip cookies from the kids' meal. So that's awesome. And here's what I did with the leftover tortilla chips from Kelsey's, my darlings. I made them into some nachos. And the meat that you see here is actually sirloin meatballs that I just, they were frozen, they're President's Choice. So I just cooked them up as the package said, and then I took the meat chopper thing from the Dollar Tree and chopped it all up, because I'm going to be using the rest of the meatballs chopped up for a different meal for tonight for supper. And then I grated some old cheese on there, old cheddar cheese, and then I poured some cheese sauce and our tomatoes from our garden. We're at Patio Shades, and Rob is having a bacon and cheeseburger and onion rings with the pickle. Turn. You can see the front of it there. There you go. And then this is what I'm having. And I'm just having the classic hamburger with the Parmesan garlic wedge fries. Hopefully you guys can see.
She's coming.
Isn't it good?
I wonder what this is for.
I don't know.